Hi, are you in the learning and development, talent development functions? Do you want to know what are the three new mindset that you need to embrace as an R&D or talent development leader? If yes, this video is for you. Hi, my name is Dickson, and today in this video I'm going to share with you three ideas that you need to embrace towards the future of learning and development. Now, why understanding this is important? Because the workplace and the workforce went through tremendous changes in the past couple of years, powered by the technology changes as well as by the pandemic. And that's why as R&D professionals, we need to embrace some new thinking. So what are the three new thinking you need to embrace? Let me share with you one by one. The first ideas you need to embrace, the first new mindset you need to embrace is what I call embrace the both and mindset. Both and mindset. In the past, we used to make decision based on option A, option B. We tend to make decision based on a choice, based on this either or, A or B. A may be online training, B is face-to-face training. So you may be making a decision between A and B. But nowadays, as the workplace is increasingly uncertain, the market is increasingly uncertain, you may need to have both option A and option B, both going ahead, and then have this ability to quickly switch from A to B, switch to B to A at very short notice. So that applies to learning and development, of course. So you might need to have both online learning and face-to-face learning, and you need to have this mindset of both and. You are going to do both and simultaneously. Okay, so that is the first mindset. The second mindset you need to embrace as R&D professional is what I call the embrace problem solving. Embrace this problem solving mindset. Why? Because according to World Economic Forum's one of the report, it indicated the top 10 skills, the top 10 skills in 2025, Out of that top 10 skills, actually 4 of the skills are related to problem solving, So they are analytical thinking, complex problem solving, critical thinking, as well as creativity and originality. So as you can see, out of the top 10 skills in 2025, 4 of them belong to problem solving category. So what does that mean to you as a learning and development professionals? That means you need to focus less maybe on the learning or the skill development, but focus a bit more on the problem solving. Structure the learning experience as a problem solving experience. Structure the learning experience as a problem solving experience. So instead of organizing maybe, let's say, online marketing courses for people to teach them how to acquire customers online, you may want to give them a real problem. The real problem, the real challenge is how to acquire customer online at a much cheaper rate. So give them a real problem, get them to solve the problem. So develop your workforce with a problem solving experience. How about the third mindset? The third mindset is to embrace the idea and inspiration. Embrace ideas and inspiration. So what does that mean? Nowadays, skills getting obsolete very fast. So whatever you learn today will be obsolete very fast. So what you need to do is you need to give the workforce some ideas and inspiration. Because with ideas and inspiration, they will be able to keep on innovating. For example, let's say you are in the engineering sector. You may want to arrange some seminar talk, get some external guest speaker to come in and talk to the engineers, maybe on a topic totally unrelated to engineering. So for example, in Japan, do you know the design of this Shinkansen, the high-speed bullet train in Japan. Right? The design of the high-speed train locomotive, it was actually an engineering breakthrough, powered by some ideas and inspiration, right, from one of the engineer when he is doing bird watching. Right? You may be asking, hey Dickson, what? Like bird watching and engineering design, right? How are these two related? Yes, it is related because one of the engineer in Japan, right, when they noticed there's a particular type of bird, is called kingfisher, right? The shape of the bird, right, actually give this engineer ideas and inspiration on how to change the shape of the locomotive so that it can go faster, right, when the train is put on full speed. Right? Another example, right, if you are in the HR business, right, maybe you would like to get a guest speaker from the advertising or copywriting industry, right? Get them to come and talk to you, inspire your HR manager. Right? Why? Because the new HR is marketing, right? So why not get some new ideas and inspiration for your workforce, right? By inviting some external experts, right? Someone out of your industry, right? Someone from not inside your industry. Okay. So to recap, what are the 3 new mindset that you need to embrace as a R&D leaders or professionals? Number 1, embraces both and mindset. You need to have both option A and option B go simultaneously. Secondly, it is about embrace this problem solving. Right? Embrace problem solving as part of the learning experience. And thirdly, is embraces ideas and inspiration for your workforce. So I hope this video sharing is something useful to you. If you like this video, share with your friends and colleagues. Once again, this is Dickson. Embrace new thinking, embrace new mindset towards the future of R&D. Cheers.